Hi guys, you are watching my channel iTech Destination, and today in this video I am going to unbox this David company smartwatch. Its model is K22. First I will unbox it, then I will show you how you can connect this watch with your mobile device, and I will give a brief and honest review that you should buy that watch or not. So let's start. Before unboxing it, here is a major feature, a new feature that the company has introduced in this model is multiple watch faces. In this watch, you can change your watch faces. I can show you how you can change it. Okay, there is a 400 mAh big battery, and from here you can see that its CPU is Realtek 8762C. Display is 1.28 inches IPS full round screen display, and it is compatible with the iOS 8.0 and above versions and Android 4.4 plus versions, and Bluetooth version is 5. Its battery is 400 mAh. Now I am going to unbox it. Here is our watch. You can see that it is so much pretty, very look nice. It's looking so much nice, and here you can see its complete view. I like it so much. And in the box there is the user manual and there is a charger. Okay, let's start with our watch. Here is a plastic film which I am going to peel it off. Okay, this is the laser scanner which will act as an oximeter which will measure your blood pressure and heart rate, etc. Here is the charging pins, and there is a small mic, and there is a speaker, because with this device you can also make a call and also attend a call with this watch. Okay, this is the open button and down button. Here is a charger. I show you how you can connect these pins. You have just put it on and it will attract. Okay, don't worry that these pins like that or like that, because if you place it wrong it will repel it. Okay, you can see it is repelling it. When you will place in the right position it will attract it. Okay, you can use any adapter of your mobile charger to charge it. Okay, to start that device on, you have to push this open button for few seconds. Here you can see the device is on. This is the watch face which I was talking about in the start of the video. Okay, when you slide down your screen, here is the notification panel. From here you can change the brightness of your device. Here you can see this is the weather, and this is the vibration button, and there are other settings button, and this is the theater mode. Whenever you are in the theater you have to push it on. When you push that option on, the device brightness will come down, and vibration will completely off. Okay, when you press it off, the brightness will again change. Here you can set the brightness. Okay, this open button also acts as a back button. Whenever you are going in an option you want to back, then click that open button. When you slide your screen to the left, here is the step counts. This is the stopwatch, blood pressure measuring device. Okay, this is the exercise. There are different exercise modes: running, walking, skipping, badminton, football, whatever you want. Okay, this is the phone. This is the main function from which you can connect your mobile device with that watch. This is the blood pressure measuring mode. Okay, and this is the oximeter, and this is the weather. Whichever city you select on your David app in your mobile, the weather of that city will show here. Okay, this function is not so much important, because if you are using your mobile, then you can click on your mobile to click a picture. You don't need to click on your watch. This is the media player controller. Okay, now I am going to show you how you can connect your watch with your mobile device. Slide the screen to the left. Here is the option to connect. Here is the option to connect your device with the mobile phone. So click it on. After turning it on, the Bluetooth of your device is now on. Now pick your mobile here. Okay, here is the Daffy app which I have already installed. To search it on Play Store or Apple Store, just search Daffy. Here you can see this is the app, Daffy app. You have just to install it. I have already installed, so open it. Here you have to provide your some information so that your app can track your daily health activities. Okay, there are few options of sleep duration, outdoor running, steps count. Here is the button to connect your device with the watch. Click it to add. Here you can see it has already searched this device. This device name is K22. So here you can see the name of your device. Click it. Okay. Now my device is connected with this mobile phone. Okay. Here you can see there are some features. Watch faces. Okay. From there you can change the watch face. Here you can see. Okay. The watch face has been changed. From here different watch faces you can select from here. The fourth one is that here you can customize your watch face. Okay, if you want to change the pattern of your time, color of your time, from here you can select whatever you want. Okay, then save. Here you can see the change has been appeared. From here you can select the notifications for which app you want the notification on your mobile device. I am turning that phone. Okay, messages allow, and here from here you can select WhatsApp enable. In WhatsApp you have to select that option because it has already set to not allowed. Okay, then allow it. Now I can receive the WhatsApp information on my device. Here is the favorite contacts option. From here if you select some contacts as a favorite, then the contacts will appear on your device. From here you can directly call them. And in the others option there is a time format. From here you can select the time format, and here that is so much important. Click that option off, because if you turn it on a continuous function, then your device will always measuring your heart rate and oxygen quantity in your blood, so it will consume the battery of your device, and moreover it is not so good for your health because it's a laser which is measuring your heart rate and whatever. So turn it off, don't set it to continuous. Okay, here is a screen inactivity time. Okay, whenever you click it on, I have set it to 15 seconds. After 15 seconds the device face will gone off. Okay, from here you can select whatever you want. Now from here you can select the weather. Here you can search for any city whichever you want, and then select. After selecting it, the weather will appear here. From here you can check your weather of your device. Okay, now I am going to show you how you can make a call with your device. Okay, just slide it down. Sorry, from here you can see any notification of your WhatsApp, email, messages, anyone will appear here. Okay, to make a call, slide the screen to the right. From here you will see the option of phone. Select it on recent calls. I have already made some calls, so they are appearing in the recents. Okay, if you want to make a random call, then go to the dial pad and dial the number from here, and you can make a call. Okay, I am going to show you how you can make a call. You can set some contacts as a favorite so that you can from here make a direct call. Okay, from the recent call I am going to call. From here you can see the call is appearing. Okay, so from here you can make a call to anybody, and you can also answer it because there is a mic and there is a small speaker. Now I am going to show you how you can measure your heart rate and whatever. So before measuring your heart rate, you have to wear it on, because when you are not wearing your watch, it will not measure. Okay, when you are on that home screen, you have to slide on left. From here you can measure your blood pressure. Okay, click it on. Here you can see that the laser is on and it is measuring my heart rate. So it is showing that my heart rate is 78. And uh, from here you can measure your blood pressure, and from here you can measure your oxygen quantity in your blood, which you say oximeter. So this device will also act as a oximeter. Here you can see 98% is the quantity of oxygen in my blood at that time. From here you can see your weather. So I really like that watch. I personally recommend you, if you have a low budget and you want a good sports watch, so it's a good option. Okay, so that's all. If you like my video, so please like my channel, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon so you can watch my videos on time. And goodbye.